Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for attending. I will be calling this meeting to order. Today we'll be deciding whether to move forward with the franchise proposal of the AGC or the Australia Group of Companies to expand the Pearl of the Orient to the country of Australia. Um, let's make this a focused discussion. Everyone, please participate accordingly. Thank you. Ms. Secretary, please take note of the attendance. I will be doing a roll call.
Yes, will do.
First of all, I am Kiftisan Buwan, your chairperson for today. I am also the Vice President for External Affairs for the Pearl of the Orient. Um, Miss Dizon will not be able to attend. Miss Julian Best Dizon is our treasurer and our financial department head. Miss Rachel,
Hi, good afternoon, everyone. I am Rachel Fernando, the marketing head and the secretary.
Miss Anya,
Hello, good afternoon, everyone. I am Anya Kishanti Romano, the head of the logistics department.
joining us today will also Miss Sarah, the representative of the AGC. Miss Sarah,
Good day, everyone. I am Sarah Henyosa, the representative of AGC, Australia Group of Companies, and I hope we can work together on this project. Thank you.
okay, thank you with that. Miss Secretary, please do minutes of the meeting. Thank you. Let's move forward with the approval of the agenda. Um, the agenda I have sent everyone the agenda in advance last night, I believe. Through their emails. Are there any changes or additions that you would like to add? If none, our main agenda for today is discussing the proposal, and with the other announcements such as the reports for each department, and also some updates regarding our previous projects. Are there any changes or additions that you would like to add? If not, may I move this motion to approve the agenda?
I move to approve the agenda.
Yes, and
Thank you.
I second the motion.
Okay, thank you. With that, the agenda is approved. Let's now move forward. Ms. Secretary, please move forward with the reading of the minutes of the previous meeting. Thank you.
Okay, so for our previous, the meetings from our last meeting were distributed ahead of time. To recap, in our previous meeting, we discussed potential expansion into new markets, reviewed a proposal from a partner company, and evaluated our current financial standing. Also, we provided updates on marketing campaigns and supply chain improvements. Are there any corrections or additions that you guys would like to add?
I believe there are no corrections. The minutes of the meeting are approved as distributed. Thank you, Ms. Secretary.
Okay.
Um, Ms. Dizon has sent me the financial report or the treasurer's report that would be presented for this meeting. So for the proposal, we have a budget of we have our initial investment of 2.5 million pesos. With a projected return of investment for 2 years, which is 20% or 500,000 pesos. With the risk that includes currency fluctuations, they recommended a 500,000 pesos contingency fund to be able to mitigate the risks. And also the marketing department has also requested a budget of 250,000 pesos for the marketing. Um, with that, I believe we can move forward with the reports of the committees or the department heads. For the Department of Marketing, please, Miss Rachel.
Okay, so for the marketing head, the recent brand awareness campaign in Makati City was a success, fortunately exceeding our target engagement by 25%. Also, we've conducted a customer survey that showed a high interest in expanding our product offerings, especially in local cuisine. These insights will help us refine our marketing strategy for the foreign market expansion, and even though they aren't directly related to today's discussion.
Thank you, Miss Rachel Fernando. Miss Anya for the Department of Logistics.
So, hello, for our department. We have good news actually. So, first, We successfully completed the revamp of our warehouse inventory system, which has already shown results by 10% improvement in delivery time. And also, our team finalized the partnership with our local supplier in Makati, which will allow us to cut costs by 5%. So I think that's about it. Our report is just an update. I think it's not that much of a big part for today's discussion about the expansion.
Thank you very much for the updates on the department. That's all very good news, and I'm very glad to hear about everything. And also, now we can move forward with our main agenda, which is the discussion of the proposal. The discussion of the proposal will be about the collaboration of the Pearl of the Orient and also the Australia group of companies. We will move forward considering the key factors and also the key features of the contract that I have sent to you in advance. I believe that we have read all the contract and we shall proceed with that in mind. We'll discuss whether to accept the franchise offer or also the key features and answer some key questions that we shall consider as a company. First consideration is the financial viability. Um, with our current financial standing, do we have the funds for this project, and also is the return of investment sufficient for our company?
Yes, the ROI is promising. However, we need to negotiate on better terms with the investor to maximize returns.
Oh, well, if that's the case, we understand the financial constraints, and the company is open to structuring the deal in a way that reduces risk for the company while providing a reasonable return for both parties.
Thank you very much for that. That is very good news for everyone, I believe. For our next concern as a company is the market fit. Since we're expanding to a new environment, and it is our first time expanding this big, is our brand suitable for the market in Australia?
Yes, definitely, with localized marketing that will allow us to tailor our approach with specific cultural and the lifestyle of the preferences of the urban millennial in the Australia. Definitely, we can effectively target the growing urban millennial segment.
And our company also believe that there's a strong potential, especially in emerging urban centers. Our team has identified local trends that align well with the brand's values while ensuring a good market fit.
Oh, thank you for that. Our next concern is about the operational feasibility since we're only currently operating locally in the Philippines, and expanding to a new country can be difficult and also complex. So, do you have an update in the logistical challenges? Can we manage this?
Yes, we can actually manage it, but it may require much more investment in local expertise so that we can at least reduce the risks that comes with it.
Oh, thank you
Well,
very much. Yes, Miss Sarah,
mhm.
please proceed.
The team rather can connect you with a local consultant to streamline the logistics process and ensure smoother entry into the market. We'll also assist with building a supply chain infrastructure.
Oh,
Oh,
I
that's very
see.
good news for our company. Thank you very much,
Yes,
Miss Sarah. We will keep in touch to you about that local consultant. That will be very beneficial for us in adjusting to the Australian market. Um, our last concern will be about the strategic alignment of this proposal. Um, since our company has a vision that we have in our company, does this align with the global growth vision of our company?
definitely. We are fully aligned with the company's vision of expanding globally, especially in Australia. We believe that this partnership is key to scaling operations in a sustainable way.
Well, thank you very much. With this collaboration, we still want to keep in mind our mission as Pearl of the Orient and also our vision for the future of our company. So, with that, I have a list here of the pros that we have tackled. I believe there is a high demand for our local cuisine, Filipino cuisine. Since we're expanding it internationally to Australia, I believe that there will be a high demand for that. And also, I believe there will be a strong brand fit for this since our marketing team is very flexible and will be able to adjust in creating a brand that is adaptable to the Australian market. Um, and also, the funding for our investment is very much flexible also. I believe that AGC is very much keen to making this a beneficial transaction for the both companies. And lastly, please take note of the local consultant that will streamline the logistic process. That's a very key factor that we need in adjusting to the new environment in Australia. Um, but with the pros also comes the cons, of course. The cons mentions were, of course, financial risks. There is a risk that it comes with the risk because we're expanding to such a large area. But I believe we'll be able to cope with it, and also I think AGC is very much considerate to financially assisting us to be able to mitigate the risks. Next is the operational complexity. Since Pearl of the Orient is a local company, we're still very much used to operating locally. But with the help of AGC, I believe the international operations will be such a smoother transaction with their assistance. And last of the cons is the local competition. I believe that as a local company in the Philippines, and there are still local companies also such as restaurants in Australia, I believe that making a strong brand identity with the help of the marketing team is a very good action plan to be able to keep up with the competition in Australia. With that, I think the pros outweigh the cons with this one. So we are leaning more in approving this proposal, and we will keep in mind the notes that we have taken. And with that, I believe we can move forward with the other announcement for today. Do you have other announcements, everyone?
Yes, for the marketing team, we actually have an announcement. So, we're launching our year end campaign, Innovate and Inspire, next month.
That is very good news. Thank you for that update. I believe that will. I think that this has been in the production for a very long time, and I'm glad to see it in fruition. Are the other updates?
For the logistics department, we also have an update regarding the inventory system improvements. So if that keeps up, we may just be able to reduce the delivery time by 15%. So that's an additional 5% for us.
Thank you very much. That's a very good news actually for our local delivery time rather. Since we're expanding to international, we still need to keep up with the local as long as making a name for ourselves internationally. Miss Sarah, do you have anything to say or announcements?
Oh, yes. Our team will also be attending the Catalyst conference next month. So it could be a great opportunity to scout additional potential partners for this project.
Oh, that is very good news. Miss Secretary, please take note of that. We'll be putting that in. We'll be creating a team to attend to that, and also to be able to contact the AGC face to face to have a discussion and go over the specifications of this contract. With that, if there, oh, I believe there's also an update in the regarding the financial department. I'd like to everyone to know that we have renegotiated our loan terms, and that will be saving us around 50,000 pesos annually, I believe. So we have a lot more budget to work with for the next year. Um, with that, if there are any other announcements, I will be moving with the adjournment. So thank you everyone for attending this meeting. Thank you all for your time. To summarize our key points for today, we will finalize our decision on the proposal by today. The next steps would be writing. Ms. Secretary, please contact our legal team to and help in writing the contract for for this collaboration, and also the
Yes.
letter for the approval of this project. The next
Noted.
steps are to communicate and respond to the investor. Ms. Sarah Hinosa will be contacting your team regarding this collaboration's approval, and we'll be sending you the details. And I hope to see you all face to face soon to be able to go over and finalize the details of this contract, and also for the contract signing. And we shall begin financial preparations moving forward. If we have to approve this, we'll be moving forward with our financials preparations. With that, if there are any other comments and questions, if you have any other questions that you have not been able to say now, please message me through email or through Teams. Private message me. Thank you. The meeting is now officially adjourned. Thank you everyone for attending. You may now leave the
Thank you
meeting.
so much,
Thank you
everyone.
so
Thank
Thank you
you so
so
much.
much, Ms.
much.
Yosa,
Thank
for
you
the
so much,
grant.
AGC
Ms.
is looking
Lee.
forward for this project. Thank you,
Thank you,
guys.
Miss Sarah.